How to invite collaborators on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can invite collaborators on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to invite collaborators on Instagram, all you have to do is first launch the Instagram application. Now sometimes the collaborator option may not be showing up in your device, so which we'll get to the later part. All you have to do is, in order to invite collaborators to your Instagram post, tap on the plus icon and go about creating a normal post as you would do. So I'm just selecting a random post in this case, and I'll tap on the arrow icon, and again I'll tap on the arrow icon. And on this page you have the option called tag people, which is at the very top of the screen. So you can just tap on the tag people option. And as you do that, here you'll find the option called invite collaborator, as you can see on the right hand side. Now as I mentioned before, you might not be able to see this option due to multiple reasons. First, if your account is private or if it is a personal account, even if it is a public account, you want to make sure that you switch to professional account. And if you're already on professional account, try to switch to personal, and again try to come to professional account. And in most cases this option would appear after you refresh the application a couple of times. If it's not working, we've already made a dedicated video on our channel as to how you can enable invite collaborator option. You can watch that other video by going to our channel list and searching for that specific video. And then just tap on the invite collaborator option over here, and then make sure to enter the name of the collaborator. Once you enter the name of the collaborator over here, just tag them. You can actually go ahead and drag this if you wanted to a place. It's just working like a tag feature, but it's a little bit different to tagging them. So you just need to invite a collaborator and tap on the check button. Now the other person is also going to get notified of this collaboration and will also be able to post on their specific post. That's basically how you can invite collaborators on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.